because the music has run out of power.
Oh, bummer.
But if we have special shoes at the bottom, they have power in them. So,
You're charging
when you
us?
stomp on these hose, if you're a conductor, when you stomp on them, the music does have power.
Oh, good. Oh, I see.
I put my hand on the one and I press the button and then the music turns on. Okay. Now it's about a singing jam. We're gonna sing Noah Dear. We're gonna sing Noah Dear as soon as we go dear, feel it.
Hey, Zach.
Now the show can't play.
None of you guys